Hi, it's Catherine Aird, social media. I'm going to show you how to set up a custom event pixel on Facebook. So you want to go in your Facebook Ads Manager, you click on this hamburger on the top left of your screen, you go into all tools and you go into pixels. Now you want to make sure that you have the basic pixels installed on your website. If you don't, you will be prompted to create a pixel. Once that's installed and it starts tracking data, you click here and then you can see here, these are custom events I have installed before on this website, which means that if someone goes on their home evaluation form, for example, or any form where you collect data and you want people to click submit in order to have a lead, then you can actually track the action of clicking submit or clicking purchase or clicking a final action. So you can really track your conversions with your Facebook ads and use that data for creating audiences and using those audiences for remarketing. So what you want to do here is you go under setup and then you go into setup new events, and you want to use the Facebook Amazing Event Setup tool. And you enter the page you want to track. So for example, this website has a free consultation form. So I know that people that are going to click submit and filling that form are pretty good leads for the client. So I want to track two things. I want to track the completion of the form, but I also want to track the people that looked at that page and maybe started the process but did not complete the process, because I know they'll be interested but maybe not quite here. So see if they fill this form. This would be kind of a lead, and see how this send here, there's a check mark because it means I'm already tracking the send. But what if I want to track the people that simply view the content but did not finish completing that form? Those are still important people. It also allowed me to say, well, that many people went in but didn't complete, so they are a warm lead but not kind of a completed lead. So for remarketing, that's important. So you click setup event and then you select an event. And so if I look here, I'm going to say, you know what, I'd like to actually track people that just view the content of this specific page, so I can track the one that viewed and the one that completed the form. But you can see all these other options you could track that added payment information. Maybe they added and they did not completed the purchase, but they still were almost there, right? So you can track them at different levels of your sales funnel, which is super exciting. I think this used to take tons of programming. So anyways, you click view content, and then you want to see, so you want to tag your event. So tag a location in your website where people can take this action, search box and everything. So I want to tag my event and then click on a highlight button to set up your event. So I want to go into these people, say it tells me. So I want to say, well, it's my free consultation people I'm trying to track. And then I create save event. And my setup is complete. The event is live and being tracked on your website. So that's it. And then I can see here with this check mark that it's actually being tracked. So I hope this helps. If you have any question, please reach out to me, Catherine. Hello@catherineaird.ca. Thanks. Bye.